Hello everyone and welcome to How to Speak Bosnian. Today we will be learning about facial features in Bosnian language. Okay, let's start. Face or lice. Glasses, naočale. Mouth, usta. Lips, usne. Ear, uho. Eyes, oči. Nose, nos. Beard, brada. And mustache, brkovi. Face or lice. Lice. Glasses, naočale. Naočale. Hair, kosa. Kosa. Mouth, usta. Usta. Lips, usne. Usne. Ear, uho. Uho. Eyes, oči. Oči. Nose, nose. Nose. Beard, brada. Brada. Mustache, brkovi. Brkovi. Okay, those were some facial features that we studied today. I now encourage you to repeat all of these features together with me. Lice, naočale, usta, usne, uho, oči, nos, brada i brkovi. Thank you for learning some facial features with us today. For more awesome videos, don't forget to subscribe to How to Speak Bosnian below. Until next time, ciao.